CNC machines are efficient and accurate, but when problems arise, they can be a nightmare. Factory service can cost thousands and is often unavailable, which translates into days or weeks of downtime, affecting your shop's production. That's why we created CNCWise. CNCWise is the first and only interactive software application designed to allow you to troubleshoot, repair, and correctly maintain your own CNC machines. Created by CNC service technicians who have over 40 years of experience with over 50 brands of CNC machines, it will give you the autonomy to quickly solve many of your issues. A subscription to CNCWise is like having an expert-level service technician present in your shop 24/7, 365. With our interactive troubleshooting and repair guide, you can find over 1,200 remedies for the most common CNC machine issues. CNCWise keeps track of maintenance tasks for every machine, providing reminders and procedures to help with conducting maintenance tasks to prevent future breakdowns. Plus, we provide a parameter storage database to help you in the event of machine memory loss, and a library of settings and parameters that are in common need of adjustment. You can also utilize online access to assistance from our expert team of service technicians for any problems that aren't resolved within the application. CNCWise, the future of CNC machine repair and maintenance is here. Start saving time and money on machine repair today.